Hi guys, dreaming of traveling lately? Imagining yourself immersing in the Tokyo nightlife at the Shibuya crossing? Or imagine taking photos at the Colosseum in Rome? What if I tell you that you can get flight tickets for free by using Air Miles? What's up you guys, it's X here from X & Yung. Here are the 3 best credit cards for Air Miles collection. Before we get ahead of ourselves, these credit cards are only available in Singapore. And you must have a minimum income of $30,000 for Singaporeans and Singapore permanent residents. Or for foreigners, you need this amount to apply for these credit cards. Now, I'm not in any way affiliated with these service providers. I'm just interested to share my findings in the search for the best Air Miles credit card in Singapore. First up, we have the CitiPremierMiles card. This has the best sign-up offer for free. Yes, free Air Miles once you sign up. You will get up to 45,000 miles if you apply and spend $9,000 for the first 3 months of credit card approval. To put 45,000 miles into perspective, you can get a one-way Singapore Airlines economy class ticket from Singapore all the way to London. Now you can dream sipping tea from a teacup overlooking the Buckingham Palace. If traveling is not your cup of tea, you can also opt for a free AirPods Pro and $100 cash or $350 cash via PayNow offer. Links in the description below. If you're enjoying these lobangs, hit that like button and subscribe the channel. This would help us grow the channel and in turn, learn and share more opportunities like this one. Next, we have the American Express Singapore Airlines Krisflyer credit card. I know it's a mouthful. If you're new to American Express, you can also get up to 23,300 miles if you apply and spend $3,000 within the first 3 months of credit card approval. If you're like me, who spend less than $2,000 monthly, this card is much more suitable for you because you can just spend as you do and receive 23,300 miles for free. To put 23,300 miles into perspective, you can get a one-way Singapore Airlines business class ticket from Singapore to Bangkok. Enjoy spacious legroom and reclinable seats the next time when you fly to Bangkok, the city famous for its shopping and nightlife. Finally, we have the UOB Privy Miles card. This card is well known for its high cash to Air Miles conversion of 1.4 miles per dollar, which means for every dollar spent on everyday local expenses like dining, entertainment or shopping, you will get 1.4 miles. That's 33,600 miles if you usually spend $2,000 every month for a year. To put 33,600 miles to perspective, you can get one-way Singapore Airlines economy class ticket from Singapore to Sydney, Australia. Nothing like drinking cold beers by the Bondi Beach while basking in the Australian breeze. That's all guys, hope this inspires you to travel the world after the pandemic is over and save lots of money by getting free flight tickets using the Air Miles accumulated from your everyday spending. As a gesture of thanks for watching this far and smashing the like button and subscribing to SNU, let me reveal to you how you can maximize your Air Miles collection. I know it's hard to rack up Air Miles using everyday expenses because of the bulk of it includes paying rent, mortgages, car loans, electricity, insurance, and taxes, which are usually paid via bank transfers. Now, with CardUp, you can pay these expenses using your credit card too. Now you can rack up all those miles faster than ever before. CardUp only charges a small fee of 2.25% for each transaction. Sign up for cardup.co and key in the referral code YONGB464 to enjoy $30 free fees on your first payment. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends and family too. Who knows, you might just be able to travel together again soon. Catch you guys in the next video.